Hi there, today we're going to change a nice new handle. Sometimes they get broke or they can be a little bit worn. So today I'm going to show you how to change a new one. First of all we're going to unscrew the old handle. You can use a hand screwdriver for this, just a little bit quicker with the drill. Keep hold of the screws, take the spindle out, do the repeat on the other side. There we go. Latch is still in good order, so we'll go ahead and open the new handle. Normally in the box you get everything you need. New spindle. Sometimes you'll have to cut these down, but in this case we don't. Make sure you get it the right way around, because there is a wrong and a right. So that's the right way. Put those together. Nice new screws. I'll put my foot on the door so when you're pushing on it, it's not swinging open. And again, we don't want to over tighten them. That's one side on. Spin round. Nice and straight again. Luckily they're falling into the same screw holes, so I'm not struggling to get them in, because you can always pre-drill them with a little fine drill bit just to help the screw. There we go, check it works.